Which areas of selecting and implementing controls are the most difficult? It depends on the environment, I would say. I've been to organizations where they were real tight on technical controls. Like they had all their technical controls down. Like they had a dope firewall team. They had the environment was good. They had vulnerability management going. Everything was automated. It was really, really tight. But their documentation wasn't good. And that's why they hired me. And it was hard because I get hired. I get in there. I'll do the drafts and all that kind of stuff. I send it out. But then I'll reach out to the firewall team and say, hey guys, I need a little bit of your input. Can I get like basic information? I'm trying to get information so I can do a process. They'll push back to me. The admins are the worst with that. They don't want to do any kind of documentation, not even to help. And then it became really difficult to do any kind of -1 controls. Your -1 controls are typically documentation based, like your policies, your procedures. So it made all the documentation controls impossible to do because I can't get their input. Like I've been at organizations like that. But then I've been in organizations where it's the reverse. The documentation was good. They have a policy, have procedures. They're updating them on a regular basis, but the technical piece was hard. Firewall rules too permissive, or the end user systems, these are usually really messed up and they give too many permissions on the end user devices, your workstations and your laptops and things like that. I've seen both.